Hey there! Thanks for checking in to learn how to deliver a knockout presentation. At Knockout Prezo, we've built countless presentations over the years, helping clients captivate audiences and communicate effectively. Based on all that experience, we've put together this guide to help you create presentations that hit hard and leave a lasting impression. While this guide is especially aimed at crafting pitch decks, the same principles apply to quick internal meetings or any setting where clear communication and impact are key. So let's just dive straight into it. 1. Begin with the end in mind. First, ask yourself, how do you want your audience to feel? As Carl Buchner wisely put it, they may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Whether it's inspired, confident, or motivated, make sure every part of your presentation pushes them toward that feeling. Next, think, what do you want them to do? What's the best possible reaction to your presentation? If you're pitching for funding, do you want them to schedule a meeting with you on the same day? If you're selling a service, do you expect follow-up within a week? Every slide should move your audience toward that action. If a slide doesn't contribute, it's time to ask, does this slide support my goal? If not, it needs to be reworked or cut entirely. Why are they going to remember you? It's not just about your content. It's about how you deliver it. Confidence is key. Forget the skeptics in the room, the ones waiting for you to stumble. Don't let their doubts influence the content of your presentation. Shape your message with authority. 2. Knock them out with every slide. Dare to keep it short. 10 slides should be your sweet spot. A 100-slide deck? That just says you're struggling to make your point. Einstein put it best. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Avoid spoon-feeding the obvious. Don't teach your audience to boil eggs with content they already know and were expecting to see. Use the screen as a cue for your verbal message, not a script. Hit hard with 1 to 3 key points per slide and leave them wanting more with questions at the end. 3. Dazzle them with design. Pick a visual theme that makes your story easier to follow. The right theme will guide your content, help you find the perfect visuals, and make analogies easier to grasp. And hey, break the rules. Those design commandments everyone talks about, they're often made to be bent. Sometimes the most striking slide is just black text on a white background. Now, let's talk about one of the most critical aspects of great design: composition. Think of composition as your secret weapon. Good composition ensures your slides don't feel cluttered or overwhelming. Don't cram everything into one slide. Negative space or breathing room is just as important as the content itself. It gives your audience a chance to process what's important. Well-balanced slides with enough space make your message clearer and more impactful. After all, the less noise, the stronger the signal. And that's it. Now go out there and deliver that knockout presentation. If your audience leaves impressed and awake, you've already won. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with us, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more advanced PowerPoint techniques that you definitely won't want to miss. See you next time.